Russia's MP for Zabaikalsky region Lieutenant General Andrei Gurulev has said that 1.5 million sets of military uniform had gone missing, reports local outlet Tega.info. I still don't understand where 1.5 million sets of uniform, which had been kept at personnel reception points, ended up. Today, we have either problems with uniforms, or something else happens. All of these things were there, where did they disappear to? No one can explain this to me in any way at all anywhere, he said. According to Gurulev, personnel reception points need to be equipped now for the future, so they can easily accept people. We need to ask specific questions. Where did it go? Where is it now? And how did this happen that our drafted men are unable to receive a uniform? The Lieutenant General concluded. On 21st of September, Russian President Vladimir Putin signed a decree on partial mobilization in Russia. In the text of the decree, the mobilization is called partial, however, no specifications, territorial, categorical, are established. According to this text, anyone could be drafted, except for employees of defense enterprises that get an exemption for the period of their work, political scientist Ekaterina Shulman noted at the time. Soon after, countless reports of violations of the partial mobilization process started coming in. For example, head of the Agora human rights group Pavel Chikov reported that HIV-infected Russian citizens had received draft notices despite a governmental website previously saying that they were not subject to mobilization.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.